If equipped, the front and rear axle lock system, or TrueLock, allows for both wheels on the rear axle to be locked together, or all four wheels on the front and rear axles to be locked together. This improves traction in off-road situations. You'll find the axle lock rocker switch on the instrument panel to the right of the steering column. To activate the system, push the switch up to lock the front and rear axles, or down to lock only the rear axle. To unlock the axles, push the axle lock off button to the left of the switch. The corresponding indicator light will flash and then stay lit when the axles are fully locked or unlocked. You can also view axle locker status in the off-road pages of your Uconnect display. If equipped with the rear-only axle lock system, you can activate it by pressing the rocker switch down and deactivate it by pressing the axle lock off button. Front and rear axle lock and rear-only axle lock will only activate when the following conditions are met. The ignition is in the on-run position. The vehicle is in four-wheel drive low range, and vehicle speed is less than 10 miles per hour or 16 kilometers per hour. For front and rear axle lock, left and right wheel speed should be the same for a given axle. This video is not intended to take the place of your owner's manual. For complete details and other important safety information, please see your owner's information.